Predicting the tourist arrivals after COVID-19 outbreak in Sri Lanka using machine learning. Hello everyone, my name is Nasir Zuriya. In this research project, the main problem that I am trying to address is predicting tourist arrivals after the COVID-19 outbreak is difficult. You know, because of this pandemic, tourist arrivals has been decreasing to zero level. If you take a look at this graph, you can see that in 2020 there is no tourist arrivals happened during April to November. Therefore, due to the lack of data availability, it is difficult to get the predictions after the COVID-19 outbreak. On the other hand, it is also difficult to get an acceptable level of accuracy for these predictions. The aim of this research project is to analyze the effectiveness of predicting tourist arrivals after the COVID-19 outbreak in Sri Lanka and design, develop and evaluate a web-based tourist demand forecasting system that can predict the number of tourist arrivals accurately after the COVID-19 outbreak. This proposed system has some common features like login and register, ability to select time range, able to get the predictions according to the input selection, ability to view and download predictions report, ability to adjust the predictions, ability to view predictions on a dashboard, etc. When we talk about this proposed solution's unique features, it enables users to make the predictions according to the number of months that they want to forecast ahead. And also they can get those predictions using different statistical forecasting models. This application allows users to download both past and predicted tourist arrivals report also. These reports can be downloaded in both Excel and PDF format. There are two Power BI dashboards including this solution. This past tourist arrivals dashboard is a unique feature of this application. This dashboard also can be customized furthermore. The proposed solution is Sri Lanka Tourism Demand Forecasting System. So this is the Sri Lanka Tourism Demand Forecasting System. First of all, username login to system. You can log into the system by entering the username and password. Once the user log into the system, he will come to the home page. So here you can see the past tourist arrivals details for last 2 years and the current year also. By clicking on to each series, you can see the tourist arrivals details for each year. In second report, you can see how tourist arrivals happen according to the region price for last 2 years. By clicking on this more details option, you can see more details about this project. You can get the recent updates by clicking on the notification option. You can send their comments and suggestions to the provided email. On the tourism forecast, you can get the predicted number of tourist arrivals using array model and even the auto regression model. First of all, I am going to explain how to get the predictions using array model. Here, by using this sidebar, you can select the required number of months to forecast ahead. This sidebar starts from 25 because I have to get 24 months data as testing data. When consider about building this array model and vision to regression model, I have used past tourist arrivals data from 1977 to 2021. Among that, from 1977 to 2019 data is considered as training data and the rest of the data is considered as testing data. So here, if the user want to get the predictions in this year September, what user can do is, user can simply add 24 plus 9 and September, so that means 33. So user can select 33 on the sidebar. Then the plot will automatically generate and give the predictions after selected month. If the user wants to see only these predictions, user can click on to the other series and remove them. Then the user can get a better view of these predictions. Under forecasting points, user can see all the forecasting points that are calculated from this array model. Under forecasting report by year, user can select the required year up to 2030 and then select the required year and see the predictions for that year each month. By clicking onto this icon, you can see the predictions for the rest of the month as well. These These reports can be downloaded in both Excel and PDF format. Under forecasting reports, user can see all the predictions that are calculated from this RE model up to year 2030. These reports also can be downloaded in Excel and PDF format. When the user clicks onto this option, the report will automatically download. When you open it, you can see the report will be nicely displayed. Likewise, user can get the predictions using neural auto regression model. He also by using this sidebar, user can select the required number of months to forecast ahead. User can refer into this information to select this month as well. Then the plot will automatically generate and give the predictions. Here also under forecasting points, all the forecasting points that are calculated from neural network prediction will be displayed. Under forecasting report by year, user can select the required year and see the predictions for each month. These reports also can be downloaded in both Excel and PDF format. Under forecasting report, user can see all the predictions that are calculated up to year 2030 from this neural network auto regression model. These reports also can be downloaded in Excel and PDF format. Under dashboard, user can see the past true user errors details as well as predicted true user errors details on two different dashboards. This past true user errors dashboard has 7 different pages. In the first page, user can see the past true user errors details for last 5 years. Here, user can change the year range and see the past true user errors details. In the second page, user can see the past true user errors details from 2010 to 2016. User can change these details as well. In the third page, user can see the past user errors from 2005 to 2009. Here also user can change the year range and see the past user errors details. Likewise, user can get the past user errors details up to 1977. In the predicted user errors dashboard, it has 3 different pages. In first page, user can see the predictions that are calculated from array model. Here, user can select the required year range and the month to get the predictions. If the user want to compare this year predictions with next year predictions, user can then change the year range. In the second page, user can see the predictions that are calculated from neural network auto regression model. Here also user can change the year range and the select required month to forecast ahead. In the third page, you can compare predictions that are calculated from our model and implemented auto regression model. Here also you can select the required year range and the month to see the predictions. Under past year's errors report, user can see all the past year's errors by clicking on to the required year. These reports also can be downloaded in both Excel and PDF format. In the second report also, user can change the input and generate reports. These reports also can be downloaded in both Excel and PDF format. That's all about the Sri Lanka tourism and forecasting system. These are the tools and technologies that used to develop this interactive web application. When it comes to results of the models, the error measurements like mean error, root mean square error, mean absolute error, requires error measurements used to evaluate this model. According to the results, you can see that neural network auto regression model has the lower values than other model. Therefore, I can conclude that neural network models perform better than the other model. And also, I can recommend neural network auto-regression model is the best model to predict the release errors after the COVID-19 outbreak. That's all about this research project. Thank you.